Good morning, everybody. A great way to start the year. Another morning, another press release from Southern Cross. This time, a very, very important one, but not drill results that you're being used to. This is a summary of our first initial metallurgical test work. Any project needs to have test work, metallurgical test work commenced early, really to show any of the flags, the red flags that may emerge from any project. And actually some metallurgical results can be deal killers for projects. The good news is here, we've produced some excellent results. The red flags are not there. In fact, there's a lot of green flags, if you like, in terms of what we've produced. So this is very important data. The 3-page press release was summarized from an extensive set of data. So the key points from that data are really just a few things. One, that we can produce great recoveries of gold and antimony from gravity and flotation. So industry standard processes, nothing funky, just nice and simple, and that will ideally lead from a capital point of view and an OPEX point of view in the future, if and when this is ever a mine. So number one, industry standard processes, very strong recoveries and grades of the products that we produce, which is a gravity concentrate for gold, and then a bulk or sequential flotation of both gold and antimony and gold and sulphides. So very important, that point also in the products that have been produced. And then thirdly, the study outlined that the gold in our project, the majority of the gold is of a free or native gold nature. So what does that actually mean? That means that the gold is not contained or bound within the sulphides. So it's much more easily extracted. That's why we've got gravity recoverable gold up to certain levels. That's why, even though doesn't look like it needs cyanide, we've done some cyanide tests, and because the gold's on the outside of the grains of sulphide, it's leachable also. So it cannot be understated how important it is to see that the majority of the gold is free or native gold. So a great set of data. First up, certainly there's optimization. This is all non-optimized work as a first pass, but we've demonstrated an economic viability of the project at this early stage of this test work. For shareholders, this is great news because we've demonstrated this very strong set of results in this initial work. So what does it mean? It means we need to continue to drill, continue to make increase the volume of this deposit, focus on the grade, and demonstrate the district scale nature of the project. So it's all hands on deck. You'll see a lot more drill results coming to the table, but the metallurgy is tick at this stage of the project and allows us to continue our work program with the confidence that these results can give us. This is a great way to start the year. You'll see lots of drill results flow over the short term. You'll see us put together an exploration target shortly and also address some of the continuity descriptions and how the mineralization hangs together. So lots of news flow to come through January. We've got a busy marketing schedule in the company. The geologists are back. You can see I'm here at the office, and here's to a great 2024 for all of us.